What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man, back with another video today. And wait, I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man, and I like shoes.
There we go.
Even itsy bitsy shoes. So, if y'all haven't seen the video that I at least filmed the intro for while I was in the hospital, right after Trent was born, go back and watch that. So while we were there, Hesper actually forgot. Well, he came 8 days early, and she had packed the car up the day before because she felt like something was going to happen. And
She super stutters.
she knew.
That's not the right word.
She
Sorry.
super stutters.
Mhm.
Okay.
No, that's not what I said.
She packed the car up, and for some reason she brought my Desert Elephant 3s because I've been wearing them a lot, I guess, and they were up here. Like a lot of times when I come through, this is like the study, like the entry room into my bedroom. And,
Entry room?
No, I don't.
Oh, sorry.
And entry room into my bedroom. So a lot of times when I come back in here, I'll just drop my shoes on this table, and so there's stuff piled up here. Anyway, she got those, and I think she was wearing
The threes, I think.
no.
Because I don't think I've gone anywhere since.
No, I think she was wearing the Stealth ones when we went to the hospital.
Oh.
And I brought that stuff home. Like the next day I had to come home for some other stuff, but I brought that stuff home because I'm not really sure why she did that, because she knew that we all have these. This is what?
Jordan 12 Golden.
Loyalty.
I keep
I've
thinking
got a
taxi.
And it is supposed to be a taxi. It's a taxi just with a little extra hit of gold. So we all three have these. 1, 2, 3. And so I came home and I got all these, and then Trent and I have these. I have the low. This is a Fly Ease low, and
So I was like pointing at them, and I was like, what are you doing?
and I have the high. And on the way to Trent's first doctor visit, he and I twin with these. I got a little bit of video to show you on that, but just wanted to share this with you because it meant a lot to me that my baby boy got his first pair of J's, wore his first pair of J's when he was 3 days old on his way out. Did I not get into the word yet? Did I? Oh my gosh.
Hold on, rewind.
All right, first, a word from our sponsor. Haley, who's our sponsor?
Jesus.
All right, this is Hebrews 8:12 for I will, and this is Jesus saying, "For I will be merciful to their unrighteousness, and their sins and their lawless deeds I will remember no more." It's a lot of times when we talk about having faith and believing that Jesus died on the cross for us, believing that God is the God of everything. He made everybody. He made everything. He's the creator of the universe, and that Jesus died for our sins. A lot of times we talk about that being the faith, right, Haley?
Mm-hmm.
Like you just have to believe that happened. I think what's even harder to believe about that, though, is that God actually looks down on us and He sees us perfectly. He sees us as without any sin.
Yeah.
We replay our sins, especially our bigger sins or things that we come back to, sins that we go back to. We replay those things in our mind all the time.
Mm-hmm.
We condemn ourselves for those sins, and it kind of erases the idea that God, because of Jesus, could not condemn us for those sins.
Yeah.
Like, we just can't be perfect. And I'm reminded of that, though, because I see this little baby boy. This is perfect.
Little baby.
This is so cute.
Little baby.
Especially when he's wearing his royalties. Oh man, I should have given a royalty verse here. Like we're royalty, you know? I'll do that on another one. But for I will be merciful to their unrighteousness, and their sins and lawless deeds I will remember no more. Once we believe and trust that Jesus died for our sins, He remembers none of that stuff. Like He remembers it no more. Absolutely not. And I've said this in a bunch of my past videos too. I believe He doesn't really want us to think about Him either. Like to think about Him enough to acknowledge that it was a sin and to repent and try not to do it anymore, but not to harp on it for ourselves because He remembers them no more. Why should we? But anyways, enjoy these little clips. There isn't a whole lot of it. But enjoy these little clips of us tripling on our way home, and Trent and I think this is only a very little clip, coming home or going to the doctor's office with these. And so I've got a little bit more of real world experience with these. They are a little bit big for a newborn. I'm pretty sure this was the smallest size that I could get. So they're a little bit big for a newborn. And maybe it's just because they're big. They're kind of hard to get on. They're kind of like, they just kind of flop.
Yeah.
So at least my little man got to wear his first pair of J's when he's 3 days old. You have to wait like me until I was in like 8th grade, 7th grade 6th grade. You had to wait like me till I was in 6th grade. What is it?
What does this say?
IB? Itsy Bitsy?
Oh, no. What is this? What's the little lines on the back? That's supposed to just be like stitching.
It's supposed to be something back there.
Ah.
Like this is the little Itsy Bitsy sign. Like their little...
Little swirl.
They're not putting a swoosh on it. So.
Yeah.
But again, it was special to me. It'll be even more special to me when he can wear the size 2Cs. We got him up there. And all of those are shoes that we can tweak.
Oh, I can't wait for it.
Yeah. But day 3 days old, he wore these. We went home with them. So tell your grandma about these because grandma might want to know about these for the grandbabies, right?
Oh, yeah.
Grandbabies. And smash that like button. Smash the like button for Trent, for the little baby. That's a big deal, right?
Yeah.
Smash the like
Even
button
though
for Trent.
it's a big deal for a little man.
It's a big deal for a little man. Man, that's it. That's the name of this video. It's a big deal for a little man.
Oh, yes.
I'll see y'all next time. You ready to go home?
Yeah.
Anyways, happy.
Is that your car?
Yeah.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Shoes. Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.